Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, The Employment Box. Friends, NRL has released an official notification regarding recruitment in which freshers are also eligible. Last date to apply for this recruitment is 7th of November 2021, and candidate having background from mechanical, civil, electrical, instrumentation, law, hotel management, BCom, etc. would be eligible to take participation in this recruitment, and various posts are there. So we'll discuss one by one everything regarding this official notification. But before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe for latest job updates. So friends, as you can see, the official notification is right on our screen. This official notification was released by Numaligarh Refinery Limited, and let us discuss this official notification in detail. Before that, I would like to tell you that online application has been started from 27th of October itself and is valid till 7th of November. So if you want to participate in this recruitment process, you should be able to fill the online application form by or before 7th of November. Okay. Now, as you can see, a table is given, discipline, position is given, location is given, reservation, that is bifurcation of seats as per category is given, and qualifying criteria. So first is diploma in civil engineering. 10 posts are there. Location would be Numaligarh or Guwahati, and reservation is also given. SC would be having 1 seat, ST 1 seat, OBC category 3 seats, EWS 1 seat, and open would have 4 seats. Okay, and the criteria: candidate applying for this post, that is diploma in civil engineering, should have a minimum second class full-time diploma in civil engineering from government recognized institution, and in case of candidate belonging to category like SC ST, need not to have any they are not subjected to any criteria. They should have diploma in civil engineering from government recognized institution. That's it. Okay, then second post is diploma in mechanical engineering. 8 posts are there. Joining location would be Numaligarh, and bifurcation is given, and criteria is same as that of earlier. Only the stream has been changed. When it was civil, it was civil. Now when it is mechanical, you should have mechanical diploma. Okay, then diploma in instrumentation engineering. 7 posts are there. Joining location is Numaligarh. Bifurcation is given. Criteria is same as that of earlier. Then diploma in electrical engineering. 7 posts are there. Numaligarh is the joining location, and bifurcation is given. Same criteria. Then diploma in chemical engineering, 6 posts, same location as that of earlier. Bifurcation is given of the reservation, and same criteria. Now law graduate, 3 posts are there. Joining location would be either Numaligarh or Guwahati. OBC is having 1 seat, and open there are 2 seats. Okay, and candidate applying for this post, that is law graduate, should have degree in law with minimum 40% of marks in aggregate. Then next post is food and beverage service. 6 posts are there. Joining location would be either Numaligarh or Guwahati. Bifurcation is given: OBC 1 seat, EWS 1 seat, and open 4 seats. Degree, candidate applying for this post, that is food and beverage service, should have degree or diploma in hotel management or hospitality management or food and beverage with minimum 40% of marks in aggregate. Okay, then last post is bank office apprentice. 13 posts are there, and location would be either Numaligarh or Guwahati. Bifurcation is given, and criteria is like candidate should have BCom or BA with minimum 40% in aggregate, and no any specific criteria is there for the candidates. Percentage criteria basically for candidates belonging to SC ST, they should have BCom or BA certificate only. Okay, then talking about selection methodology, as earlier I have told you, the online portal has been started from 27th of November and is valid till 7th of November. Okay, and the website is over here. You just have to visit this website, www.nrl.co.in, and then have to visit the career section, and you have to fill the online application. I'll mention all the important links in description box only. Okay, then candidates, but before that, candidate must register as an apprentice. See, basically this recruitment is for apprentice. Okay, so whenever you are applying for any apprentice recruitment, you should have registered yourself on portals, national portal like In case of engineering diploma, you need to register yourself on this website, that is portal.mhrdnats.gov.in, in which basically you have to enter your graduation details and basic details, and a unique registration number would be generated and along with certificate. Okay, and for general degree like law graduate, food and beverage, or diploma in food and beverage service or back office apprentice, you need to register yourself on this website, that is www.apprenticeshipindia.gov.in. Okay, and this selection would be purely based on percentage of marks in qualifying examination. So if you are having good marks in your qualifying examination, your chances of being selected would be high, right? Now, talking about age limit, the upper age limit is 32 years as on 1st of October 2021. Relaxation 5 years for the candidates belonging to category SC, ST, and 3 years in case of OBC, non-criminal against reserve position. Okay, now this is important point. MHRD government portal does not allow signing of apprenticeship training act contract with candidates after 3 years from the date of passing the qualifying examination. So I think candidates who have been passed in the year 19, 20 and 21 would be eligible for this recruitment, that is 3 years before, like 19, 20 and 21. Before than that, like 2018 or 17 would not be eligible for this. Okay, so take a note of it, right? Then next point is candidate will have to upload these documents while registering or while filling the online application. Okay, so address proof, the documents like passport, Aadhaar card or voter ID, any one of this would be needed. For age proof, birth certificate or HSLC certificate, any one of this, and qualification, final year mark sheet and past certificate for the seat applied would be required, and apprentice registration certificate. This certificate would be generated once you register yourself on these website which I am highlighting with my cursor. Okay, then I'll mention these sites on this link of this sites on description box. Okay, and the selected candidates shall be engaged as an apprentice trainee for 1 year, and during that tenure you will get 17,000 per month as your stipend in case of general degree or diploma engineer, and or for other diploma you would get 12,200 per month. Along with that you will get a canteen allowance as well, which would be 1,415 per month. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you have liked the video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe for latest job updates. Thank you.